Hey, welcome back to the video, guys. Today in this video we are going to learn about Python data types. Like types of element in Avatar, we have data types in all programming language. Most of them are string, integer, float, boolean, and list, tuple, dictionary, uh, binary, ORD function, and CHR function. These things are miscellaneous. So the major data types we have in Python are string, which is nothing but a character and string, integer, rounded values or integer values, float for decimal values, and bool for uh, boolean values. So what is string? String is nothing but anything inside the double quotes. Like the whole statement here is a string. We can say something like hello, it will throw an error in iterator because it considers the value hello as a variable by default. Like hello equal to something. If I tried hello, it should return something. In a quote single, we have specified double quotes and it's single here. What's the meaning? So the both quotes single, double, triple are specify the same thing, that the value inside those quotes are considered as string. So we can either specify single quote, double quote, or even triple quote. We just need to put something here and close those values. It return the same thing. For double quotes, actually this would be like this. It does the same. For single quote, doing the same, right? Then what's the purpose of having the single, double, and triple quotes? Usually you can do either a lot of things using the same thing, but as a programmer we just specify some kind of classification, right? So you can use a single quote for a single word, and you can use double quotes for a line, and you can use triple quotes for multiple lines like this. So it just did /n for multiple lines, /n instead of new line or like end of the line, we are getting a /n, right? So if I put this statement inside a print function, so it will give a proper output. Print, make sure that you have done a single order, so it will return the same thing like for multiple lines like this. So that's the specialty of string here. We'll see about integer. Integer is nothing but any decimal values, rounded values like 1 to n. Usually you can also go for minus values like this. So if I specify something like this, it's a string, right? How can it's an integer value? So we can able to typecast the string value into the integer value by using the function int. So this will return an integer value without quotes, and likewise you can convert any data type into string using the keyword str. So if I specify that, it will pass all those values into string. So that's all about the basic things about basic of int. Here we have something called float. Float of 1 will give you 1.0. Print of float of 1.2 will give you 1.2. By default it just has some kind of 16 decimal, I guess, like These are the formatters. Percentage %d for int malo1 will give a integer value. If I specify something like 123, it just throw me a type error, which is nothing but percentage %d is for number and we have passed string values. To get rid of that, you can use the function or method int like this, so you will get the output. Likewise, if we have do this for float, we got some 1 2 3 4 5 6 decimal values. We can easily modify these values by specifying number of decimals before them. Like if I put 10, it will give literally 6 for the max. If I specify 1, come on, zero f, actually I just need to specify dot before that. 1 2 3 will give you 0.0. The point number, if I specify 10, it will return 10 decimal after the points. So you can specify the float values just like that. Here this is a type bool, which is nothing but true and false. So we got false. True and false will give you false. Type of true is bool and type of 1 is int. Type of this one is string and type of 1.0 will give you float. But before that, you just need to give type instead of something like typey. So that's all about data type, guys. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Bye.